Hello, my name's Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! You know what's up, you can install this where I'm sitting. Yes, I'm sitting on it because it's dry. So now we can install it. Now, what's the situation? I'm gonna fold this in half, the front will go in half, this will go on top. Then I'm gonna slide it in the front or rear door. One of these I'm gonna slide it in. But I'm gonna leave you in the boot. You can see how it slides in and then we will fold it out. The tools we needed is 14mm on the socket, 12mm on the socket, 10mm on the wrench, a pick and a plus screwdriver. That's it. Now let's go install. Check this out, hole. Here in the middle, there's a hole. This laid in so nice. This is awesome. This is real awesome. Now I can start bolting stuff in. Look at that. This bolted in so nicely. I need to clip those and attach the handbrake. So if you haven't seen the video how I removed this, you should go watch it, because that video is the way how to see how I attached all of this. That video shows how I removed all this, so you should go check it out. But I'll show you again one side how to do it, and I'll do the other side of the camera to save time. Now, let's test it. Yeah, the car isn't moving. Nice. Now let's put all these in. You know the pile we took off? Let's put them in so everything sits where it should be. the middle console. So let's install it so we can get all of this covered, all these screws and everything, so everything can get back in its home. So then let's start with the middle console. You have to lift the back up and slide this inwards. Once this slides, you are set. Before we put everything back on, let's double check the wiring. That the wiring, everything is connected, everything is good. Nice. Let's install this. I don't think this is a one-handed process. Now it's time for that. Remember all this? Yeah, we're gonna install this. Basically, I'm keeping this here. I'm gonna push it on. Basically, the top unfolds. Just slides on. The foamy bit is there where it should be. I'm holding it with my fingers. Just the bottom one needs to go up in first. There you go. Now this should slide in one of the places. Yes. So put the bottom one in first. This in first, then top and top, and everything should be Gucci. And the foam is there, and you can move it with your fingers. It's good. It's seat time. It's time to install the driver's seat. So let's go and have some fun. Next, let's put the trims on. I do apologize, I don't know where the camera shut off. I put the seat in and I noticed that the red light isn't blinking, so I do apologize. Let's belt this down. And now this side will be done in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Everything is installed, everything is there. Let's plug in the battery and let's see when the lights are on how it looks. Now the test. Now we need to start the car and see if there are any lights. That stops us turn into a stone. Like ABS light or anything like that. Oh, I see you there. Nope. It disappeared. That light there disappeared. All fine. So let's go for a spin, for a quick spin, and then I'll tell you what's up. Well, I have arrived, and obviously it's still a little bit wet, but let me open the door just a little bit, just a crack, so you can see that looks much better. That will be it, as it's winter time. And not only that, I did extra bits too. I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.